मुंबईतील खास वैशिष्ट्य असलेल्या ड्रीम रनला सुरुवात होते तेव्हा थेट आपणही ड्रीम रन मध्ये सहभागी होऊया.
Countdown time coming up. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Tara, you jumped the gun. Okay, look at them go. 18,500 and more. And they're running the pauses. They're celebrating. They're jumping, they're dancing. The Swadesh Foundation, Conserve Nature, United Way Mumbai, our philanthropy partner. Save our Southern Society. We've got Mr. Emma Jawad, the Commissioner of Police Mumbai, who is here to support every one of you Mumbaikars. We thank the Mumbai Police and Mr. Emma Jawad in a special way for this wonderfully smoothly connected Standard Chartered.
बघतोय की मोठ्या संख्येनं मुंबईकर या ड्रीम रन मध्ये सहभागी झालेले आहेत. घड्याळाच्या काटावर धावणारी मुंबई आज धावतेय सशक्त मुंबई, सुदृढ मुंबईसाठी आणि मोठ्या प्रमाणात मुंबईकर या मॅरेथॉनचा या गुलाबी थंडीत आनंद लुटतायत.
Swadesh Foundation, where are you? Scream! We've got China MC out here. She was a judge. And it's a bomb running costume. We've got from Sun Farmer, we've got some of the Sun Farmer guys out here.
झी 24 तास रहा एक पाऊल पुढे.